Today we're looking at the Moto Turbo SL1600 portable radio, what you get with it and all its features and benefits. As you can see, you get an antenna, you get a battery. Let's take a look what's going on inside. You get a portable radio accessory sheet and you get the main Motorola Solutions manual. You get the radio cradle, you get a battery cover, and of course you get the radio itself. There is a single charger that you can use for the radio through the USB port. But there's also a standalone charger that you can buy as an optional extra, which is PM-LN7110 or PM-LN7163. But this is how it comes. So let's take a quick look at the radio and assemble the components. We've got an antenna, very simple to install, you just screw it on. We've got a battery that simply pulls out of its box and is installable in this area here. You just clip her in. The back plate simply clips on and slides across, and the swivel carry holster simply clips on, pushes into place, and is very solid. It has a really powerful, strong and robust clip that can swivel. Okay, so here is the Moto Turbo SL1600 portable radio. You can see right off it's a very slim profile. It can be charged through this USB, as I showed you earlier, and the headphones fit in this side. It's quite robust. I wouldn't say it's the most robust radio I've ever seen, but it's not designed to be as rugged as maybe some of the other Motorola radios are. You can see on the top here we've got an on and an off and info, and channel up and channel down, plus and minus. There's the antenna. On the side we've got the PTT and one or two other. We've got a plus and minus there, which is for the volume, and another one there. Another button, that is. At the bottom here you can see, if you look carefully, there's a little connector and one here, and that's for when you put this into a charger, which you can buy as an optional extra, and that'll charge the radio with no fuss. It feels quite nice in your hand as well, this one. It's slim enough to fit in a pocket, but a very nice looking radio. You'll see when we turn on in a second that although this looks as if there's no display, in fact there is a display. So let's do that now. It's got volume to it, this radio. That's channel 1. If I move across to channel 2, I'm going to turn it off, and that's what you get when you turn it off. So the Moto Turbo SL1600 provides reliable push-to-talk communication for the mobile, everyday user in an ultra-slim and rugged profile. Whether you're coordinating stewards at an event or managing workers in the field, the SL1600 is boldly designed to keep you efficiently connected. It's really nice. The latest technology works to make operation of the SL1600 simple and straightforward. Ergonomic design allows one-handed radio operation, and a versatile accessory portfolio gives you the freedom to focus on the job at hand, rather than worrying about the radio and how it works. The SL1600 is compatible with the Moto Turbo features you'll find are business essential. For example, a transmission can be interrupted to prioritize critical communications. Additionally, the SL1600 supports both digital and analog radio technology. It fits seamlessly into your existing communication system if you already have one. Of course, if you don't have an analog system, this radio works brilliantly in digital mode. The ultra slim profile is only 22mm thick. The SL1600 is ultra portable. Stubby antenna, curved edges and a rugged frame make the SL1600 the perfect work partner. It can be easily carried in pockets or bags, as I've said. without any snagging. This Motorola radio has the latest technology for performance and ease of use. The shatterproof active view display uses a matrix of LEDs behind the radio housing to communicate the status information and shuts off when not in use to conserve battery life. The SL1600 also features Range Max technology, an advanced radio design and patented antenna which delivers enhanced radio range while maintaining a simple profile and long battery life. But importantly, the SL1600 is designed for easy, intuitive use. It's a simple to use radio. The side volume control, dedicated power button, prominent push to talk button and top toggle channel switch have all been designed for quick one-handed access. Channel fast toggle allows users to scroll through 10 channels at a time. Although I've said that the radio isn't hyper rugged, it's still a pretty robust product. It's built to last. The IP54 rating is for dust and water resistance. It can be used even in harsh environments. This radio can survive many drops and tumbles. It's been proven tough in Motorola's grueling accelerated life test, where the radio is tested against a simulated 5 years of hard service before it is accepted for resale. By the way, this radio comes in VHF or UHF modes. The output is variable with Range Max technology between 3 watt, 2 watt or 1 watt. The display channel capacity is 99 channels. The weight of this unit with the battery is 169 grams for VHF and 166 grams for UHF. Channel spacing can be 12.5 kHz, 20 kHz or 25 kHz. And the analog sensitivity on this one is 0.3 microvolts. The rated audio is a half a watt. So it's reasonably loud, but I wouldn't call it as loud as some of the other radios that we sell. Do bear in mind that Long Range Systems has been selling Motorola radios for years. We've sold tens of thousands of these radios. Motorola brand is a tried and trusted brand for our company, and we only supply our customers what we know are good products, reliable products, robust products. Now, when we're talking Motorola radios, we're always talking accessories. Motorola have a great range of accessories, some of which include carrying accessories. They have a versatile portfolio including flexible hand strap, rotating heavy-duty belt clip and swivel carry holster, which I've already showed you that one. A nylon wrist strap can also be attached at the top of the radio through this. There are a number of antennas. Outfit the SL1600 with high efficiency stubby antennas. We have coloured antenna ID bands available for easy customization and identification also. Now, Motorola has quite an incredible audio accessory range. The Moto Turbo audio accessories for this SL1600 are designed for lasting comfort and improved device performance. Inline microphones and prominent push-to-talk features provide easy hands-free communication. There are a number of devices such as a Mag 1 earbud with inline microphone and push-to-talk. There's an adjustable D-style earpiece with inline microphone and push-to-talk, which is black. There's a swivel earpiece with inline microphone and push-to-talk. There's also a one-wire surveillance kit with inline microphone and push-to-talk. And there's also a two-wire surveillance kit with translucent tube. Now, I did mention earlier and show you earlier the standalone charger for this SL1600 unit. And while that's okay if you're using the thing not commercially, maybe less commercially than some people might, you probably want to get a proper charger, whether it be a single charger or a multi-charger, which is available for these units, because when you use those type of chargers, there's no damage going to go with the USB connector being in and out all the time. So we prefer to recommend the desktop chargers, and you're going to have excellent service from this radio with those. Keep the radios functioning at all times with the essentials. Charge your lithium-ion batteries in Moto Turbo single or multi-unit charging docks. We recommend them. There are batteries available, by the way. The lithium-ion batteries for this are 2300 mAh batteries. the replacement covers, single chargers, 6 pocket chargers, and a micro USB programming cable, so you can program if you want. Now importantly, we always mention warranty when we're looking at radio equipment, and Motorola radios come with a 2-year warranty, and if you do get any problems, Long Range Systems is here to help. You can pass the radios back to us and we'll get them serviced and repaired under warranty if it's a warranty problem. If it's not a warranty problem, we'll offer you a very, very competitive quotation, probably better than most of the other dealers out there, for you to get your radios brought back into perfect condition at a great price. Long Range Systems has experts selling Motorola radios, and well, you can visit motorolaradio.co.uk, not Motorola Radios, motorolaradio.co.uk, which is a site operated by Long Range Systems UK. Well, you can do that. That's really an introductory website to Motorola. Our experts are very friendly and they know all there is to know about the Motorola brand and products that are available. I urge you to go and speak to them on 01782 53 7000, where they are waiting for your call. If you need any more information whatsoever, please do call us and we're happy to help.